Greetings, all my virtual students, YouTube subscribers. Today, I'm going to give you a beginner's llamada por tangos. And it's extremely practical, but it's got a nice little rhythmic quality to it. And it's one of those ones that anybody can learn. So I'm going to break it down step by step. So first of all, we're going to do a very simple articulation of the feet. The first being planta with your right foot, and then golpe. Okay, so you're going to go and then land on that back foot with the same foot. So done facing the other direction, I'm going right, and then on my right foot. Then same thing on the left. So you're going. Okay, count it out. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just marking compás. 1, 2, 3, 4. Following that up, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap, hit, hit. Golpe, golpe. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. To the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Okay? Again, 5, and 6, and 7. 5, and 6, and 7. Okay? So, all together, taken together, it sounds like this. Facing the right direction. Okay. Now, put in arms. I'm going to give you two options for arms. First, you're going to do standard 7th position here. So you're going to go. Okay. Or facing the other direction. I'm going to face right because I'm going to go left, right? So I'm going to go. And then from there. So that last part, keep your elbows pushing forward. Make sure you don't go here, but rather keep those elbows out. Keep your shoulders down. So I'm going. Now as I'm going, I'm bringing this arm here and this arm across. If you have a skirt or just your shirt, or you can just take this position if you prefer, but you're going. Okay, so facing the other direction. And normally you'll notice this in flamenco in general, you walk out of a step a lot of times when you do a step, just to keep it moving and keep the groove going. So if I go on this same foot, I'm going to walk out of it. Maybe I want to just hold after I walk out of it, or maybe I want to keep it. I want to keep it moving. That's another option. So I said I was going to do two arm possibilities. Here's the other one. You're just going to keep your elbows engaged and your arms up here. Yeah? So, bum, ba, bum, ba. Other direction would be here. Let's go ahead and try with compás. Other direction, other arms. So simple little step. I would just practice it. Practice using your focus. For example, when you're here. Remember what I said, you always want to set up the thing that you're doing by doing the opposite. So if I'm going to end up here, I'm going to look here first. So I'm going, ah. That way I have a focus change, which is more dramatic and just more active. So I want to go ba, ba, ba. Then here, straight ahead. And since I'm bringing my arms up, focus will go up too. So just think about the different ways that you can make the step read clearly to people that are watching, musicians and onlookers alike, and people can appreciate the direction that you're taking it. So I would experiment with both of those kinds of arm options that we put in there, and just maybe you'll find something else you like to do too. I'm always open to that, and I like to encourage that. So hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for an intermediate step coming up soon. Ciao.